Aluminum is one of the most common materials used for rain screen facade products, and one type of aluminum facade that's particularly popular today is called pre-coated aluminum. This material is coil-coated with a durable, flexible paint system, one that offers several benefits to architects and designers of larger buildings and their facade needs. For starters, pre-coated aluminum is available in a huge range of colors, finishes, and texture options. Using these design options, it can be fashioned to imitate virtually any other material's aesthetics, from stainless steel to copper, zinc, or even brass. Like many other types, it's not limited to solid or flat colors. Rather, it has a wide scope that allows it to create metallic, futuristic looks. It's a fixed color, meaning it won't mature and develop based on oxidation and weathering like other metals might. Another benefit of pre-coating aluminum is the depth it brings to any building. It allows aluminum substrate to really show through, creating a semi-transparent tint using a paint layer that will help it contrast with other materials. One important note when it comes to depth. Pre-coated aluminum paint is directional, which means it has a grain that needs to be considered during any design process. This is an area experienced architects that will have no issue with, however. One major reason why pre-coated aluminum panels are often used for large-scale cladding products is their consistency in color. The pre-coating process ensures uniform painting layer at all times, with virtually no shade variation whatsoever to deal with. This process also allows for longer panels to be created than you'd normally find. If you don't want a metallic appearance, pre-coated aluminum also lends itself to mimicking a natural appearance. You can specify wood grain finishes, for instance, or a stone effect facade for certain building types. But of course, you still get the benefit of a great strength-to-weight ratio and fantastic protection for your structure. Finally, pre-coated aluminum products are durable and hard-wearing. They can be folded during fabrication without damaging the surface whatsoever and are known for great gloss retention, even despite significant exposure to the elements. They are robust and often pre-curved, which eliminates an on-site need for many builders or contractors. External walls are constructed in 30% less time than a traditional external wall system. Reducing implementation time also means less time using scaffolding and auxiliary equipment. This saves on indirect expenses and makes the project more economical. Thanks for watching. Until next time.